You're happy?
Extremely happy.
Why is happy?
We just did the test, and I wasn't able to see, like,
You were able to hear now before.
yeah. Now I see all this,
All of this.
all that,
You can see your feet when you walk.
a little bit.
Oh.
When before, nothing. You know what I'm saying?
You know, when the whole world tell you it's impossible,
Yeah,
we did it.
yeah.
It's
You did
possible.
it. Yeah.
You know,
I told Sammy I have to go outside. I had to make a quick phone call. And just tears came to my eyes. Really.
happy tears.
Good tears.
Yeah.
Grateful. Very happy. Big smile on my face.
Yeah.
I just saw the pen, going up. And I was like, what? And I couldn't see that.
Yeah.
She's like, you see it here? Before it? No. And then she just went up. I said, yes. And I was like, why? That was crazy.
You did it.
That was
You
crazy.
did it.
You did it, doctor.
We made the impossible become possible.
Yeah. And on my sides too.
You can see.
Bigger. Yeah. Yeah, but the bottom field was just crazy. It was crazy. And I've been telling my wife, and I've been walking around the city, and just like things come to my attention that it's like I think I'm gonna trip over something, and then I look down and it's nothing. What it is that I'm starting to see more on the bottom.
Yeah.
But my brain tells me, be careful, there's something on the bottom. So yeah.
So now look at the RP.
Yeah.
Retinitis pigmentosa.
Yeah.
You do not need to fear.
No.
No. There's something we can do.
Yeah.
In a matter of a week, we can turn around just like that.
Yeah. I'm extremely happy.
Thanks for the tiny medicine. We don't have to fear RP
anything. No, not at all. Thank you, doctor.